Advanced Legal English lesson. Corporate responsibility. A company should not offer, solicit, or accept bribes or any other form of financial incentive that could undermine its integrity and for the sake of its shareholders and other stakeholders, it should be transparent in all its accounting and financial transactions. And now let's move to the words with the definitions and explanations. Undermine, to make something weaker or less effective. Stakeholders, people who have invested in and own part of a business or people who have a personal interest in how something happens. Transparent, open and honest about its actions. Shareholders, people who own shares in a company. Transactions, business dealings and other actions. Solicit, to ask someone for something, in this case for an immoral or unethical purpose. Incentive, something which encourages. Bribes, money offered corruptly to someone to get him to do something to help you. Integrity, honesty, principles, or moral principles. A company that lends money should avoid predatory practices such as imposing very high interest rates and short repayment periods, especially in situations where people are particularly financially disadvantaged, and it should ensure that its lending policies are equitable, even if this means that they have to reduce their profit margins. A company should not infringe, copy, or otherwise use without permission or acknowledgement a copyright, a patent, a trademark, registered or otherwise, or anything else that could be construed as creative or intellectual property for financial gain. A company should respect the rights of the individual to privacy and freedom from harassment, intimidation, and any other act which could be viewed by the individual as an invasion of their privacy. In addition to maintaining good public relations with its customers, suppliers, and other people it works with, a company should also maintain good relations with its neighbors and people who live in and around its area of operations. So, what does mean these expressions? Legal words. Corporate governance. It is the way a company behaves and the way it operates within a set of self-imposed rules or externally imposed legislation. The next is the codes of conduct. That's the rules that determine how a company and its employees behave, dress, deal with the public, and etc. The codes of the best practice its ethical and moral standards that a company imposes on itself so that it operates to the best of its ability with minimum negative effect on employees, customers, neighbors, and etc. Guidelines. This is the rules or instructions on how to do something. And uphold. Make sure that something is forbid. So that's the end of this lesson, and you can find this downloadable material on Telegram. Please stay in tuned and thanks for watching.